Hi, this is Bob Johnson from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and today we're going to talk about the Getac S400 semi-rugged laptop. Now, a couple things I like about this laptop, and there are a couple things I don't like about this laptop. The one thing I don't like about this laptop has nothing about the usability or anything of that nature. It has to do with the paint that they put on this laptop. The paint that goes on the top of this laptop can be rubbed off very easily, just with a little abrasion, which is kind of irritating to me because, you know, I like my laptops to be nice, clean, and complete with good paint. Now, some of the things I like about this laptop are this keyboard. This keyboard is a backlit chiclet keyboard with the red light. So when you're in the dark and you need to see the keys to type, this one is very easy to see and will not blind you with white light. It makes it very, very nice. The other thing I like about this laptop is actually, believe it or not, the palm rest. I just like the feel of this palm rest as compared to the Panasonic Toughbook. It feels much sturdier than the Toughbook, which the competitor to this would be the Panasonic Toughbook CF53, or even the 52, or even the newer CF54. So I like the palm rest on this unit, and the mouse pad. The mouse pad is nice. It doesn't wear as easily as, say, the Toughbook does. This particular unit is a touch screen. Do I like the touch screen? It's adequate. It does the job. I've used nicer touch screens. The laptop itself is about the same weight as its competitor, the CF53. This unit includes PCMCI slots. It has 2 of them. I think that's 2 of them. Yeah, one's a Express and one is a standard PCMCI slot. It also has your audio jack, so you know, like you would expect to have a external microphone or external headphones. And it has HDMI out. Other ports are included are 2 USB 3.0 ports as well as a FireWire port. Another interesting thing about this laptop, it also has another USB port 3.0 in the back. So it has 3 USB 3.0 ports. It also includes your standard 9-pin serial port right here. So you get that old legacy equipment that you may have to plug in. And it has your NIC port here. On this port here, you have your external SVGA port as well. So overall, it's a good usable laptop that is quite rugged. I mean, this thing is heavy duty. I don't think it's going to break if your investment's well cared for. This laptop also includes GPS and Bluetooth. So you could load in your free GPS software and do turn-by-turn signaling. In fact, we have an article on our blog that explains how to load that free software for turn-by-turn directions using the internal GPS on the laptop. Overall, I like the S400. It's for sale on our website right now. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Bob Johnson, Bob Johnson's Computer. We just took a look at the Getac S400. And if you like this video, please hit that bell at the bottom of the video as well as the like. That allows us to notify you every time we have a new video. Now keep in mind, we do post these episodes every Wednesday at 11 o'clock. But if you'd like to be notified on your phone, hit that bell at the bottom and we'll make sure you get notified. Again, I want to thank you for watching and have a great week.